Hi everyone, this is Tim Warren from Technical Glass Products, and I'm standing outside a recently completed project. You're seeing a facade up here that looks just like a typical structurally glazed curtain wall system. But the interesting thing about this project is that right here, that is a 2-hour fire rated system. So fire rated here, non-rated up above. But aesthetically, they're going to look very similar, and that's because our Fireframes SG Curtainwall System was designed to help break down that aesthetic barrier between rated and non-rated, helping to blend the two aesthetically, so you can't necessarily tell the difference between the two just from looking at it, right? So when you're trying to help break down that aesthetic difference between rated and non-rated, perhaps you have non-rated structurally glazed curtain wall on the facade of your building, maybe you have a requirement for a fire-rated portion, you can really blend the two using the Fireframes SG Curtain Wall series from Technical Glass Products. Thanks for listening, and have a good day.